In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to Miro sticky notes. If you're looking to make your Miro boards more expressive and fun, adding emojis to your sticky notes is a great way to do it. Follow along as we go through each step, ensuring you can easily bring a bit of personality to your digital workspace. To start, open your web browser and go to miro.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button, which you'll typically find in the upper right hand corner of the page. Click on this to proceed to the login screen. Now you have the option to sign in using either your email or your Google account. Choose whichever method you prefer and follow the prompts to enter your credentials. For this tutorial, I'll guide you through signing in with your email. So click on the continue with email button, and after entering your email details, you should be successfully logged into your Miro account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your Miro dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate to the specific board where you'd like to add some emojis. Click on your board to open it, and you should see your workspace with all its current elements. On the left hand side of your board, locate the sticky note icon. This icon makes it simple to create a new sticky note on your board. Go ahead and click this icon. Afterwards, click anywhere on your board to position and place the sticky note. You now have a blank sticky note ready for customization. To add an emoji, direct your attention to the options above your sticky note. Here you'll see an emoji icon. Look for a small smiley face symbol. Click on this to open the emoji selection menu. You'll be greeted by a variety of emojis to choose from. Select the emoji that best fits the mood or message you wish to convey on your sticky note. Once you've chosen an emoji, it will instantly appear on your sticky note, adding a splash of color and personality. This visual touch can help capture attention or emphasize a point creatively in your collaborative process. If at any point you decide that the emoji doesn't suit your needs or you want to try a different one, removing it is just as simple. Click on the emoji directly and you'll be able to remove it from the sticky note. This feature allows you the flexibility to change and adapt your visuals as needed without hassle. And there you have it, you've successfully added an emoji to your Miro sticky note, bringing a new level of expressiveness to your virtual collaboration tool. Enjoy using this feature to make your boards both informative and engaging for your team. Thanks for watching and happy Miro making.